Okay, in this video you are going to see me unboxing the Ledger Nano S. Nice. It's a nice little Ledger Nano S is a hard wallet based on secure element for storing cryptocurrencies, embedding a screen to check and secure digital payments. So there's a ledger. Pretty nice. I think I had the option of choosing the color and I went for this orange. So yeah, here's the welcome pamphlet. Here's a USB cord. Plug it up into your computer. Did you notice there is no anti-tampering sticker on this box? So they say they're tamper-proof. Getting started. So the recovery sheet, which is a confidential document, it's a list of 24 words that will be displayed on your device when it is initialized. Make sure to copy each word below. It is a full backup of your accounts. So once you set up your ledger, once you set it up, it gives you 24 words, and that's pretty much the password for your ledger. And you want to keep that in a safe place. Ledger is pretty much, it's a hard drive for your cryptos, pretty much, so it keeps track of where your cryptos are on the blockchain. Just think of it as a hard drive for your cryptocurrency. And yeah, that was it. It's a nice little box. And yeah, there's the ledger. I'm gonna set it up online and maybe not. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the Ledger Nano S.